Hello, parents, students, and guardians. Welcome to Osceola Middle School, home of the Chiefs. Let's take a little bit of a walk as we enter our school building. For those of you who don't know, I'm Dr. Lowry. I'm the new principal here at Osceola Middle School. I'm expecting a great and amazing year. Parents and guardians, I want to encourage you to have conversations with your children about the expectations throughout our school community. We have a plethora of items on our school website. Please take an opportunity to visit. We want to also encourage all of our school community members to get actively engaged through volunteering in the front office, chaperoning field trips, or assisting in our media center. So without further ado, welcome to Osceola Middle School. Let's have a great current school year.
Mrs. Carroll, 6th grade secretary.
Dr. Adams, 6th grade assistant principal.
Mrs. McClellan, 6th grade school counselor. We hope you have a wonderful year.
Good evening, Osceola Middle School families, and welcome to Osceola Middle School's 7th grade office. I am Suzanne Becker, the 7th grade assistant principal.
Good evening, I'm Mrs. Knapp, the 7th grade school counselor. I'm here to support the students, so please reach out if there's anything that I can do to help you.
It's a great day at Osceola Middle School. I am Miss Ebony. I'm your 7th grade office clerk.
Hi, I'm Jessica Scott. I'm the 8th grade assistant principal.
Hi, I'm Kelly Krupp. I'm the 8th grade counselor. Welcome to 8th grade.
Hi, I'm Margot Lehner and I'm the 8th grade clerk.
Hi, my name is Miss Hendricks and I am the volunteer coordinator for Osceola Middle School, and I'm excited to share a few things with you. I get to do all the really fun things, so I help out the OMS staff and the students here at Osceola. If you're interested in doing any field trips, a lot of you have sent in this form to me. Thank you so much. You need to fill out the form, and then there's a few steps that you have to do to be a volunteer on a field trip or a special event that we have. So I also handle mentors for students. So if you're interested in mentoring a student, we have several students that are just having a rough day, struggling with their classes. They just need somebody to talk to. So I also set that up. So if you're interested, just let me know. And then another thing that is big for me to do is to get sponsorships for the school. Everything, we need funds for so many different things, from our athletics, for the teachers, for appreciation, for all kinds of different events. So if you're interested in doing a sponsorship, we also are starting a new car sponsorship banner program. So if you're interested in that, we have several people that are already on board. Just let me know. Like I said, my name is Corey Hendricks, Miss Hendricks, and you can find me in the front office. I'm here Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 2:30, or just give me a call and ask for Miss Hendricks. Thank you so much. Have a great school year.
Good evening, parents and guardians and Osceola Middle School family members. Thank you for coming out to our annual back to school night and open house. We have a lot of great things planned for the current school year. We want to thank you in advance for the support and unwavering understanding that you give to our teachers. Parents and guardians, please take advantage of check-in focus portal often to ensure that your child's grade reflects their efforts and ability. In closing, I'd like to bring you a few updates that I've already shared with staff. This will be my last open house as principal at Osceola Middle School. I've been blessed with an opportunity to receive a promotion. I'll be serving as the new executive director for school climate and behavior. It's a bittersweet moment in the sense that I get to continue to serve the community at Osceola Middle School. However, I'm going to forever cherish and miss the relationship and friendship that we made here. However, I also know that the great work will continue to move forward, so no need to worry. I will be here during the peaceful transition of my replacement. And once again, thank you for all that you have done and continue to do to support our effort here at Osceola Middle School.